Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Motors Used Cars in Madison, Wisconsin, certified used Toyota dealer. And here's an unusual vehicle for us. We don't have these normally in, but I know that they're in high demand right now. So this is going to be a 2015 Ford Transit cargo van. And I think we bought this one from a local radio station. They retired it. We bought it, and now it's here at the dealership. So this is a 2015 with a 3.5 liter V6 engine and low miles. I think it's got under 60,000 miles on it, so very low miles. Overall in pretty darn good condition. I think the whole thing was wrapped with a vehicle wrap, so the body's in excellent condition. Couple small dents and dings. It's a 2015. You can see it does have the trailer towing package, but mechanically it is sound. It's a 3.5 liter V6, and you can see the inside is completely unfinished, so ready to put work racks or cargo racks or toolboxes right in here. It does have the rubber floor and no windows except for on the curbside here on the doors and up front, of course. So this could be a really great vehicle if you're in construction. Maybe you're looking for a maintenance vehicle for your company. Good option. It's a 2015 Ford Transit cargo van with just under 60,000 miles on it, with a V6 automatic air. If you're interested, give us a call here at Smart Certified Used Cars in Madison, Wisconsin. Let us know, and we'd be happy to show it to you and work up a price you can agree to. This is Tony at Smart Motors. Thanks for watching.